Everyone, in this video we will see that how to configure transportation in OpenEduCat. So first of all, you can log into the system with your username and your password. To configure transportation, you can go to the system as your first priority. Once you go to system, you can go to main menu, then you can go to transportation menu. In this one, you get to configure vehicles first. So you can go to vehicles tab from the top there. You can click on create option for the vehicles. You can select vehicle model from the list. You can provide license plate number also in the list there. You can go to capacity and provide capacity for the vehicle. And then you can go to select driver from the list. And you can select driver name from the list and you can go ahead and save the information. Now next thing, you can configure routes. So you can go to routes tab, click on that one. And then you can go to create routes. Now at the moment, you can provide name for the route which you are creating in the system. Then you can select vehicle which has been created earlier from the list, and then you can provide cost for that also. And then you can go ahead and save the information. Now you can configure stops for the trip. So you can go to stops tab, then you can go to create stops. Now you can start your stops. So the first one is your sequence, and then you can provide name for the pickup. And then you can select your route from the list, and then you can add your estimated arrival time. This was your first stop which we have created in the system. Now you can save your stop name in the list. Now you can go to create again. You can provide second sequence. Now you can add your name for the stop you are creating at the moment. So this one is, say for example, High Street Shopping Plaza. This one is your next stop which you are creating. You can select your route which has been created earlier from the system, and estimated arrival time also you can enter, and you can save the information. Now you can go to create again and you can create your third stop. So in the third one you can add your name. Say for example, you are creating Station Street for the stop point. You can select your route from the list and estimated arrival time also, and then you can go ahead and save the information. Now you can go to create again and you can add your fourth stop point. You can go to name and you can enter your name for the pickup. You can go next to route and you can select your route from the list and estimated arrival time also. And the last one, you can go to create again and you can add your sequence, which is your fifth one. And you can provide name for that. You can select your route from the list and you can provide your estimated arrival time also, and you can save the information. Now that's been done for you. Now you can go to trips configuration and you can click on trips. You can go to create routes. In this one, you can select your route from the list. You can select your route type from the list, either pickup or drop. You can go to pickup at this stage. You can start your time as in it's at 7 a.m. And then you can double check your date and your driver, and you can go ahead and save the information. Now you can go down and you can click on the tab where it says get stops in the stops tab down to the routes information. So you can click on that one and get all of your stops information in the list. Now you can go back up there and you can click on the button where it says start trip. Click on that one. So your trip has been started now. Now you can go to the tab down in the page where it says passengers. Next to the stops, click on that one. You can go to edit and you can add your passengers. Now you can go to the first passenger, says Anita. Anita is present at the moment, and you can select stop where Anita has been picked up from, and you can save the information. Now you can add it again and add your next passenger. Add a line to it. Click on that one. You can go to the next passenger and you can double check this passenger has been present, and you can select stop which has been picked up from, and you can go ahead and save the information. Now you can go to end trip button and end your trip there. That's how you can configure transportation in OpenEduCat. Thank you very much for your time.